Hi friends, today we'll see that Speccy software. So Speccy software is very familiar tool, and it's provide the details information on each and every piece of the hardware in your computer, and it will save the time during that what is the status of the CPU, motherboard, and RAM. So Speccy is one of the very famous tool. You can install into your system and you can utilize it. So you can go to this path and download it. Just select it here, and it's a free Speccy tool. So you can see the installation is start, and it's very, but it's not a very huge file, so it's only the 8.6 MB of files. So just click on that, and after that you can start opening, and you can select this. After that the Speccy will start installing, and it's very reliable tool. uh, uh, so Speccy is the place to start if you need to know what is inside in your PC. So let's go to, so I just it's installed. So you can look at the all the details about this information. So Speccy gives you the details information and save the time status. So it will give you the information about the CPU, motherboard, RAM, graphics, storage, and whatever. So you can easily trace each and every information. So Speccy allow you to save your all the results easily, and you can utilize that the systems information and all the hardware information. So it's very essential tool. uh, you can try with that. Yeah, that's all for thanks.